Hello guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Vechain guys. In this video I'm talking about the price prediction, the price update of Vechain. What's going on with the price update? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos guys. Let's start the video and let's go ahead. Guys, the right now price of Vechain is about 0.095721 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Vechain in the market guys. Furthermore, if we study the price changes updates, so now the last 1 hour update is positive 1.38%. last 1 day, last 1 week changes are also going in the lows guys. I mean from the last 7 days Vechain price changes are going negative guys. Anyways guys, if you study the price chart of Vechain, that is the last 1 month price chart, so from the beginning of September the Vechain price dumps very badly. But guys, from yesterday, if I zoom the price chart, so from yesterday I believe guys that now the Vechain changes become good. You can see here now gradually, not a quick jump over in the Vechain, but slowly the Vechain struggle to pump guys. And I hope guys it is the last of September, so my prediction is going positive, and I believe guys that in the last half month higher possibility that the price will become positive guys. Anyways guys, what do you think? What is your prediction about Vechain? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel guys.